Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is chickpea salad for Weight Watchers. It's easy, simple and filled with carbohydrates and protein. Make sure to subscribe and press the bell notification for latest updates. 1 cup of boiled chickpea or chana that has been soaked overnight and pressure cooked for 2 whistles. 2 tablespoons of chopped onion, 1 tablespoon of chopped tomatoes, salt 1 teaspoon, black pepper powder half teaspoon, chaat masala 1 teaspoon, oregano flakes half teaspoon, chopped coriander leaves, lemon juice 2 teaspoon. That's it and you're good to go. Combine this very well and it's ready to be served. Well, you can customize this salad as you wish by adding chopped cucumber, bell peppers, or even some green chilies. It's very rich in protein and carbohydrates. It's a delicious, tasty, and easy snack for growing kids and adults. Be sure to leave a like and comment. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends.